Okay, this is TempleOS 5-minute random code walkthrough, episode 16. And I'm your host, Terry Davis. Okay, where does God send us? Alt-B. Oh, we are in a song. Okay, let's see the song. Okay, the way I'm going to play this is Struggles. I'm going to play it in the jukebox. The jukebox has a specific size view window. Okay, so the plays a note. It has a notation that's it's one voice, so it's really simple doing a song. This is octave 3, 16th note, F G F G, 8th note triplet, D note D C F, quarter note D. Octave 2, G, octave 3. So it stays in octave 3 for these notes, and it stays 8th note triplet for D, F, B. And then the words are can only go directly on notes. So the first string is the notes, and then the words are on the notes. Okay, so now we're using a draw it callback, and this callback sets symmetry. That's for two hands, and then it does a sprite, and we are using beat, which is a function that is synchronized to the song, the current song, and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and if it's a fraction, it's 1.2 or something like that. Anyway, so this is synchronized to the song, and well, not scan key, so it'll loop until you hit a key, and when this task is killed, it calls callback, so it turns off sound when this task gets killed. And the music tempo, oh, you know what, I didn't reset the settings. Normally we say music settings reset. So if the last song left the settings different, we might have some problems. Anyway, so that's how that works. Well, I finished early. So settings, this is not music settings, this is task settings. Now this runs from the command line. The task settings are stuff like the drawback, the draw it is reserved. Here's draw it. That's what sets it back after I reset it. So there's a bunch of settings that are preserved, and okay. And if it gets a Control-Alt-C, if you break it with Control-Alt-C, then it generates an exception, and this displays the exception number. Like, so if we hit F5 and then hit Control-Alt-C, it shows the exception right there. That's okay. So now the reason you might want to hit Control-Alt-C is it only does the scan key once every song. So if we hit the key, it wouldn't activate right away. We want to hit Control-Alt-C. Anyway, so that's everything there is to know about this.